Hi there everybody, it's UK independent demonstrator Halsey here from slimandstylish.com. Thank you very much for joining me today. It's a really quick impromptu live. I hadn't planned on doing one today. It is just a quick pop-on to announce that I have an exclusive 2-day discount on the Lovely You bundle. So that's this cling stamp set here and the coordinating punch, and up until 7 o'clock tomorrow night you can get the bundle for £34 with free delivery. So I'm going to show you how to create this card using that bundle and give you all the details on how to get that discount from me. But before I do, I did offer in September a gift away for the full suite of the Peony garden, and I haven't drawn it yet, so I thought I would start this video by drawing the gift away from all the entrants I've got. So I've got them all here. Thank you to everybody who took part. Let's see who it's going to. Then we can get on with the crafting. Sue, congratulations. I will get in touch with you and I'll get this posted to you. Yay! I'm sorry for everybody for the delay in actually drawing that. But there we go. Drawn. Congratulations, Sue. So for the next, for 48 hours starting at 7 o'clock last night, I reduced the cling stamp set Lovely You and the coordinating tag punch. So it's now £34, which is just under 10%, and you also get free of charge delivery if you order it through me. So give me an email, slimandstylish@live.co.uk, if you're interested in this bundle. It's a cute one. And I'm going to pop together this card now and show you how easy this bundle is to use. So I've already got all my bits and pieces cut. I have got a 10th fold card in mint macaron. So this is a sheet of A4 card cut in half and scored in half. So it sits as a 10th fold. Hiya Debbie, hope you're okay. I have got a piece of Whisper White cardstock that is the full length of this card. So it's 14.85 centimetres by 6 centimetres. I have got 2 long strips of Smoky Slate cardstock. So these are also 14.85 centimetres and they're by a centimetre. And then finally I have got 2 pieces of scrap paper. This is Smoky Slate and Whisper White. And they're both cut at 1 inch wide and both of them are 7 centimetres long. Okay, and this is the card we're making, so let's get going. I have got a piece of scrap. This is just copy paper, but if I know I'm going to be stamping off my Whisper White, I like to protect my grid paper because I don't like to get it messy. So the stamps that I'm using from the set is this cute flower here, and I'm using that one in Highland Heather, and I've already got it out and on my block. I'm using the leaf, which I'm using with Granny Apple Green. I then have this lovely flower here, and I'm also using the Just Because stamp. Hiya Kay, hope you're okay. And I've popped those with mint macaron. And then finally I have this little bud one here, and I'm using that with crushed curry. Okay. So to get started, I'm just gonna pop the lids off all of this. I'm having some trouble with my crushed curry stamp set. The labels started coming off, so it's got really stiff now to open and close, and I keep meaning to myself to pop some glue underneath it and stick something heavy on top of it so that it sticks back down flat. But well, it took me 2 weeks to do my draw for the gift away from September, so you can imagine how long it's taken me with my label for the crushed curry. So I'm just going to pop the stamps next to the colour they're with, otherwise I'm going to start stamping them all in the wrong colour. And I'm just going to build this panel. So if you can see, I've actually just stamped all over it randomly. I'm going to be doing exactly the same on this one, and I'm not bothering about which direction anything's going in. I'm just going mad, all different directions. So how's everybody's week been? I don't often have Friday off, so it's very unusual for me to come in and do a live on a Friday. But I was so happy about the discount because this set's so gorgeous that I wanted to show it you. And, you know, I've got a day off. I want to see all my crafty friends. So I'm just going around, like I said, it's any which way, just building up the pattern. Trying to make sure I get everything in, and I'm going to leave the littlest till last because that's the one you can just slot into all the gaps. So then when you've got the little one left, you can just pop it in all of the gaps and you don't have to worry. If you're left with a big one, you struggle a little bit. Okay, which one haven't I done for a bit? That one. And it doesn't matter if they're next to each other, it's just decorating it whichever way you fancy. But this is quite a quick way of making your own sort of DSP panel onto a card. Talking of which, if you didn't like making your own DSP and you're not too keen on this set, we do actually have special offers on quite a lot of the DSP at the moment. So if you'd entered that prize giveaway for the Peony DSP and you'd have liked to have got that DSP, it's actually 15% off at the moment. You can have a look over on my blog, slimandstylish.com. And if you go up to the header bar and click buy, it will take you straight to my store. So there we go, there's my panel. I think I got a bit more yellow before, but I'm okay with that. So I'm going to move them all off apart from the sentiment just because, and I've used mint macaron with that, so I'm going to leave that on as well. If you're planning, by the way, on ordering this bundle at the 10% price, well, under 10%, but at that price, and I'm giving you the free delivery with it as well, let me know if you want me to add anything else onto that shop because you'll get your free delivery as well. So I'm going to use the punch now. I love this punch, it is so cute. You've got 2 different ends that you can use 6 different times, okay? So you get a different pattern depending on how thin your card is and how thick your card is. So having it at 1 inch, you get the full pattern. You can either get this one here with a rounded top or this one with a flat one. Oh, thanks Debbie. Yeah, I quite like this colour combo. If you cut this down to 3/4 of an inch, you'd get a different shape because it would fall where the stitching is. And if you cut it down at 1/2 inch, you'd get a different shape again. Okay, and if you're using 2 different colours, it's really nice if you actually make these different sizes so you can label them up on top of each other. But for today, I'm going to keep them the same size. I'm going to wiggle it in. And my tip for you is to turn the punch over. So once you've wiggled it in, turn it over and just make sure that it's sitting straight at the top. You want it to sit straight on the back. Hopefully you can see that. And then when it's straight, you're going to get the perfect punch. And I'm going to do exactly the same with the white. Pop it in. You just need to wiggle it a little bit. And then again, turn it over. And line it up so it's flat at the back. And punch it down. And I'm going to keep it straight the other end, but you could shape it the other end as well. Up to you. Now for these 2 strips, this is actually my backing mat. I'm a bit of a scrimper. I'm not going to pop a 7cm backing in here because I'm not going to see that bit. So I'm actually just going to put 2 strips and save a bit of card. So I'm just going to run the glue down there. And run the glue down there. I'm going to line them up and pop them directly onto the smoky slate. Okay, so you can just get the edge in like that and you're not wasting a whole load of card at the back. So if you were making a whole heap of these, you could get lots of this stripping out of the smoky slate. Okay, this should be the same length as your cardstock now because we measured it at the start, and it is for you. So I'm just going to pop some glue on that and stick it in place. And I'm leaving about a 1 centimetre gap between the edge of the card and the panel. No, I don't want to put the lid on yet. I haven't put my sentiment on. I'm so wary when I've got lids off my ink because I know at one point I'm going to end up putting my hand in it. So now I'm just going to measure my smoky slate to see where I want it to come, because I don't want it to come all over my pattern. I just want it to be on the edge like that. So I want it to be about there. So I'm just going to grab my snips, put a little mark in there and then cut that up. And then I'm going to balance the white on it. Now I don't know whether you can see on this one, I've got a couple of millimetres off on this side and a couple of millimetres off on this side. So I'm going to do exactly the same with this. So I'm going to move it. I'm just going to eyeball that that's about correct. So it makes a tag like that. Ink it up. I love the fonts on this set. Just because. I can put the lid finally on my ink pad now. Pop a bit of glue on the smoky slate panel. And attach the top. Such an easy bundle to play with, really effective. And a couple of dimensionals. Oh, make sure it's stuck down properly first. There we go. It's $38.25 in the catalogue, but like I said, if you order it from me, and it is an exclusive from me price because it's me offering the discount, not Stampin' Up, so you'd need to email me slimandstylish@live.co.uk. You can get it for £34 up until 7 o'clock tomorrow night, and it comes with free delivery. Message me if you want to be included. And there we go. And I'm just going to keep popping the rhinestones. I was worrying there that I'd done too many flowers for the amount of rhinestones I had, but look, I've done it spot on. It's like I planned, and I didn't have a clue. So finally the last one. If I said, if you're interested in this bundle at the 10% price with a free of charge delivery, just let me know what else you're interested in and I can get them all done on the same delivery for you. So there we go. There's your card. And the bundle is Lovely You, and it comes with the punch. Thanks everybody for joining me today. Congratulations, Sue, on winning the suite. I will get in touch with you and we'll get it posted out to you. And I will see you all again soon. Thanks everybody. Bye.